Okay, I'm gonna try to give pain meds to Sugar this way. They're finding my buckets of barley. Excuse me, ladies. You are plump enough. Babies. Hey, stay out of there. So this looks like dog kibble, but it's actually a step 1 feed. It's good for lactating mares and foals as well. So I just put it's Butte is the pain meds. I just put it right on top of the feed there. Hopefully she gets as much as she needs for a proper dose. So this side has actually been leaking when she's been laying down. So I don't really know. She's gonna get grouchy with me. I don't know how much, if she will at all, if she'll wax or not. Do the jiggle test. There's very gentle taps, and this whole area is just like ba-dum ba-dum. Side all throughout here is just, sorry girlie, I know I'm frustrating you. Down here also very jiggly. I feel like she could elongate more, but oh girlie, packing her tail a lot, passing a lot of wind, that sort of thing. How'd we do? Yeah, so it tastes kind of nasty. I don't know how else to give it to you. I just put just a couple tablespoons of water in there and then mixed it in with the feed a little bit better. I'll stay here till she finishes it, just because I don't really want the little puppies to find the goodies. With that much pain meds, I don't really want to know what would happen. Hey everybody, this is Amanda and welcome back to this little Troyer farm. And I just wanted to tell you, well, first of all, I wanted to tell you that I actually have some bad news. Despite my efforts in losing sleep, being up every 20 to 30 minutes, like all week long, and waiting for Sugar to have her baby, somehow I missed the birth entirely. Yes, you heard right, and you are seeing right. Sugar had her baby. Now, as much as it makes me sad that I don't get to share this experience with you, please know that I completely missed this experience. Despite being prepared, despite watching for all the signs, despite watching her through the nights, I still missed the birth. And that makes me very, very sad because I love watching new life come into this world. I want to ensure that everything goes smoothly. But you know what? If that's the only bad news I have to share with you, then I think we're doing pretty good. So despite the fact that there will be no birthing video, I am going to share with you as many cute videos of this little adorable baby, and I would like to do a first 24 hours type of vlog for you. Sugar's doing really well. I actually haven't been spending much time with them, just letting them do their thing and bonding. She's tired, obviously. It's a big long journey coming out to this wide open spaces after being tucked inside all warm and safe. So I want to introduce you to this beautiful, adorable little foal. Before I introduce you to this little foal, I just want to say, as much as I'm disappointed that I didn't get to be here and watch this baby come into the world, I am incredibly thankful that I didn't need to be here. That should be the goal, is that we should be able to enable our animals, care for our animals in a way that they don't need our assistance. In my opinion, that's the ultimate goal, is that they would be able to do it on their own, that they would not have troubles, that they would not need our help. But I do think it's important that we be around to assist if and when it's necessary. So as much as, yes, I'm sad that I missed it, I am incredibly thankful that it appeared that everything went smoothly. And by the time I found out that a baby was born, she had already passed her placenta. And you may wonder, well, where were you? Sometimes things happen. And it must have happened around 8 o'clock in the morning when I was watching the monitor, but for whatever reason, I missed it. Call it sleep deprivation or what have you, but yes, I missed it. And as much as I'm sad about that, it's gonna be okay, and you'll be okay too. Hey, sugar. Hey, girl. Are you gonna let us peek? Hey, mama. I know you see the treats that I brought for you. You see the treats. Good girl. Look at all that baby belly gone. You're looking slim. You're looking fine. You see the little baby? Can we come check out your baby? Can we come see? Hi, mama. Oh, there's the baby. isn't little baby adorable? In case you didn't catch it, it is another little filly. And she is pretty stinking cute. Nursing isn't going quite as well as I would like to see it. She's not nearly as vigorous and robust as Jitterbug was when she was born. Again, I don't have enough experience to say why or what or anything. I just helped her nurse a little bit, but she's looking in all the wrong places. She's looking on the neck and the flank and high up on the udder, and she's not like confidently getting a teat in her mouth and nursing. So I helped her get a few suckles, and she swallowed a few different times. But it's hard to say, like, did she get enough? Because then she like got a few suckles and then she like collapsed. She passed right out and she fell asleep. So I don't know. It's just one of those tricky things where, to be honest, I'm a little bit concerned. I'm a little bit anxious. I'm hoping that everything's okay. But it's one of those things where we hope that everything's good, and we hope that baby gets more energy and gets all of the nutrition that she needs. And in the meantime, we'll just keep an eye on them and start scheming up a name for this cute little munchkin.
Oh, your baby's hungry. Can you get up? Look, your baby wants to eat. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, sugar. Come on. Show you, baby. So mean of me, I know. But your baby's looking for food. I want to see if she nurses by herself before she gets all worn out from standing. Okay? Her legs are definitely a little cockeyed, but hopefully she straightens out soon. Just not quite the whoops. Not quite the smartest baby. Then she gets worn out, and then it's like, well, you tried so hard, but you didn't actually eat. Oh, she almost had it. It's right there.